So first go to position 1. Then use the touch button to go down to trip. And then make sure you're on the mileage screen. And then you're going to want to press the back button. Wait until a menu pops up. And then press the touch button quickly. As you can see, they'll bring you to the service menu. Then just scroll down, Assist Plus, turn the ignition on, go to Full Service, Confirm Service. For the oil grade, search up the one specifically for your car. For this car, it's 0.51. Yes. Confirm. Done. And then just exit back. This is how you reset the service light with an older style steering wheel with no touch button. Turn the key to position 1. Then press the phone button and directly after the OK button and hold for 3 seconds. Make sure you're on the trip menu and displaying the mileage. As you can see, the dealer menu comes up. Go to Assist Plus. Then from there, you would press Full Service. Down to the bottom, Confirm Full Service. First, put the car in position 1 on the ignition. Then go to the trip menu until the mileage is displayed. Then you press this touch button for 1 second and then the back button and hold. For 3 seconds. Then press back. Scroll to the left.